Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with the kids. For today's vlog, lalaro kami sa snow habang nagpapala ako dito. Okay, gagawa kami ng konting or maliit na slide. What can you say about our vlog today? Shout out sa 17 million subscribers.
Oh my God! Wow! Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Here.
I'm bad at doing carving.
Show it.
I'm bad at this is the fun.
That one.
And this is my latest adventure. Watch it, see? This is our favorite demonstrated. I'll break your leg right if you don't. Okay, this is my latest adventure. The hit. Yeah, my latest adventure is the hit part. See? How dare you don't let me hit you? I'm gonna lose this thing now. Okay, latest adventure. Oh yeah, baby! Don't worry, I'll make millions more. Like what? This is my greatest like button. Oh man, what is that? You're filming. Oh no. My girlfriend, you can't do that because on everything. Look at this thing. I can't. You can't win my friend.
Doing, baby.
I'm gonna make good gun. Oh, real confused. I can make it. I'm gonna take this thing now and make a gun. I'm gonna make a circle, which is also a hit circle. That's the world's greatest invention in TikTok. This is the Next, Steven, we are demonstration. This.
Say,
I know how to do.
say, click the subscribe button.
Say, click the subscribe. Click the subscribe button. There.
You know what you're doing?
Oh my God! Wow!
Eating snow.
Ready?
Kung yung harga kaya pa ka snow.
Under it.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, no. Oh,
hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, hit tatay and the subscribe button, please.
Tata, what you're doing?
Making a gun.
A gun?
Yeah. Hit the four and hit the subscribe button too, please. Can you do that? You made the biggest regret of your life.
Pangit lang rin, laptan na pa ng snow dyan, ha? Puro dyan, ha? Laptan nyo, kamukuro pa siligang mo dyan.
And it also comes with this. See the one who's throwing. Ron, you wanna go smile?
Yeah, throwing but not there. Go there. Downstairs.
Stop!
Butaan to jacket kay Bibi sa likod na.
And it also comes with this. Stop! Oh, what happened to you, Vincent?
I'm going now.
And it also comes. Wanna go inside now?
Yeah.
Stop, Steven. And it also comes okay, he wants to go inside now. Ah! Ah! Stop!
Steven, go there.
Yeah, okay. Dangerous.
Oh, one more try.
What?
One more try. I didn't get it.
Seriously? I'm not here to film all your beauty products.
Oh,
Ha!
if you endorse my channel so that you'll get millions. Millions of likes.
No.
You're gonna go and buy more V-Bucks.
No. That was the part Ha!
Oh.
Hi, my bad. Hi. I'm the man. Is that a watermelon? No, I'm covered with snow. I'm the map. The map. The map.
Oh, mayroon kaming Christmas tree. Christmas tree right there. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Sa Pinas, ginagawa namin lalagyan ng sabon, pero ito, yan, natural yan. Ito yung totoong Christmas tree, oh. May snow, tsaka ano, yan. Diba? Sa Pinas, ginagalagan na ng sabon. Pero ito, yan makikita nyo, yung totoong Christmas tree, oh. Yan. Steven, watch out! This,
Oh, yeah. Hello, Yeti. How dare you? You infant. I'm gonna kick you. You know that?
watch out, Steven.
On the place. You rat. I will literally kick your head. Oh, you win,
Oh,
you.
subscribe. See it.
Still on my watermelon.
Is you boy correct?
Like, did you
Don't
know
even
that?
upload content. What's the content?
Ito.
Yeah, you can't. I'm stuck. Yes, I went back up. And then falling back down. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna fall. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Unless I die, of course. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Ah! This is terrifying. What?
Parang na yung silid.
I need my watermelon. My watermelons. What? Oh, yeah. A really good trick to do.
What? What going to do? Makain ka dyan. Ba't tingin?
Ta-da! Put it in snow. I am a shy eater. Don't Steve.
I hate donuts. Just
What?
to know out there, I hate donuts. Tatay,
Yeah.
can you hot roll this?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not now. It takes so long to do.
It doesn't matter. I want to hot roll this. It's a long
Okay.
time. I swear.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yes. It's a hot roll. I'll buy us a bar for a while. Also, the final. Hold on. I need to do something.
If you're gonna hit me, I will kick your brain out of your head.
How can you do that?
Get a chainsaw and open up your head.
No, that doesn't make any sense.
Get
Tunggu
up.
lang rin. Ang mura na tudlo mo ta. Ang sama libayan mo.
He's the one who's gonna hit me.
No, that. This is a part where you can eat.
What?
It's a part where you can eat.
Well, I can eat. Oh, well, you can eat.
O say bye-bye na kayo. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye and subscribe to YouTube channel.
And say hi to our
hit
17 million
Sephora,
subscribers.
And hit Sephora and also the like button.
And then say
What?
hi to our 17 million subscribers.
7 million.
Yeah. Say it.
7 million?
Shout out to our 17 million subscribers.
What the heck? That's not it. That's not how you shout out. That's not how you shout out. Shout out. It's shouting out to people. Like shout out to like Drone Master or something like that.
That's all say it.
I don't know what to shout out to.
Don't make it. Do it.
I didn't work out.
So guys,
What are you doing?
sa susunod ulit na video sa mga makukulit na mga bata. Ayan. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel.